I received this glow-in-the-dark yarn in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. It came with a couple crochet hooks and 10 small spools of thread. My daughter actually does quite a bit of crochet. She's going to test out this yarn for me and test out those hooks as well. There are 5 different colors in total: 2 white, 2 blue, 2 light green, 2 yellow, and 2 darker green. After shining them under a bright light for a few seconds, this is what they look like after turning off the lights. The different colors actually glow at different intensities. The whites and the blues glow the best, followed by the light green, then the yellow, then the darker green. So the darker greens do glow, but not nearly as good as the other colors. Just from this quick test, I was definitely impressed by the glow. So I asked my daughter to make something with the crochet yarn, and she decided to make a small jellyfish. We're not going to show the whole process, just her getting started, because she's still working on it. So this is kind of what it looked like when she used it. She decided to make a blue jellyfish, because it's one of the colors that glows the best. She says that the yarn has a good texture to it. It feels like cotton, it's soft, it's easy to crochet with. She started out by using one of the provided crochet hooks. It's 2 millimeters, made of a thin metal, but she also said that it was a much smaller hook than she was used to, so she switched to using one of her own 3.75 millimeter hooks. After making a small circle, she wanted to test out how glow in the dark it would be, and she found that it doesn't really glow if you're just working on it under normal lighting. You really need to shine a bright light on it for a few minutes. So that's what I did. I shined this battery operated light on it for about 30 seconds or so, and this is how much it glowed from that. Just from that really dull light, it's kind of a dull glow. So then I held it under a much brighter light for about 30 seconds, and then this is what it looks like. So if you want it to glow really well, you'll definitely want to hold it under a bright light. All in all, I think it's a really good package. You get 5 colors, 4 of them glow really good, and even the one that doesn't glow that great still glows a little bit. If you like crochet or know someone who does, I think this would make a great gift. I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.